Good morning. We are on our way to Laguna Hills to perform a drain clean. Customer reported that their tub isn't, or it's slow draining, but to the point when it's used, it fills up the bathtub pretty quickly. So yeah, we are going to attempt to remove the overflow and run a auger down the overflow. We're going to use our trusty Milwaukee trap snake 25 footer, which is a great little tool. And if that doesn't work, then we're going to use the air snake. And if that doesn't work, well, he's in a bit of a pickle. So yeah, we're going to try those two out. Hopefully we can get done with the first, and that'll be it, man. So I will see you. Well, hold on. How's your guys' day, dude? How's your day going? Mine's going all right. It's sunny but chilly, and yeah, there's a lot of business stress going on right now. Can't really speak on it at the moment, but soon I will. But running a business, man, there is a lot of things you know, there's a lot of things you don't know, and a lot of things you learn as you go. And we're dealing with an issue that is kind of a big deal, and I'm a little stressed out about it, but I can't talk about it yet. So you're probably irritated that I'm even bringing it up because I can't talk about it, but I'm just kind of rambling. But anyway, I will see you at the job.
That's what I'm always afraid of, it dropping down the drain.
Yeah.
That's... part of the problem.
Yeah.
I don't know where that hair came from. This bathroom is so rarely used. My kids, they visit.
All right, we'll get this one out here.
Wow, anything getting through there.
Yeah, hair is one of those things that it just
in my
makes its way.
In the master bedroom, which we're retiling, it has a hair trap that I just lift the top.
Sometimes just because of the water volume of the tub, it'll kind of do that. But once you get the shower going, it's looking good.
Played with that yesterday thinking, I don't know how to get this out. I played with it. I couldn't get that thing unscrewed. I didn't have the patience that you have.
Yeah, well, sometimes they have, like these little, so see how that's flat?
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll have like a little random flat spot to where you push it down halfway and it locks in, and then you can just untwist.
But this one, the top actually comes up.
Yeah, this one you have to untwist this off and then push down and then twist from here.
Okay.
So it's a little bit different, but...
Well, I'm glad that's all it was.
Yeah.
I'm glad that's all it wasn't some big thing in the middle.
Right. Okie dokie. All right, bro. We are on our way back to Newport Beach from Laguna Hills. And I am trying to merge right now into crazy traffic on the 405. People do not want to let me in. And oh boy, there's traffic. Dang it, bro. Okay, well, welcome to California, dude. I should have taken the toll, but you know what? I'm like, I think I'm gonna just save a little money. You know, save the $6. And now, time is money, dude. You know what I mean? This was a mistake. I normally take the tolls when I can. But boy, take a look, bro. It's California traffic. All right, so yeah, we did the shower drain. You know, 9 times out of 10, it's typically gonna be hair, unless it's a very old home that's on slab. Maybe it's just scale and cast iron. But yeah, it went smooth, pulled hair out the trap. There was hair at the drain spud. Always make sure to do both, you know, as plumbers. Give me a minute to think. This person's trying to get over and I'm trying to get over, and we're all just trying to get over, dude. Appreciate you. Lost my train of thought. Oh, when you're doing the drain clean, always good practice to check both. And even if you find hair just at the spud, like, don't just pull the hair out of it. And then even if it does seem to be draining better, like, don't just leave it. You know, run an auger through the trap, because if there's hair build up there, more than likely there's going to be hair in the trap. And there's nothing worse than you being called out and you just clean it from there, and then, you know, a couple months later they're like, hey, it's backed up again, and then you have to run it through there and you pull out a bunch of hair. It's like, if you're already doing it, just do it. You know what I mean? But to each their own. If you have a problem with that, then hey, I'm not going to judge you, bro. You do whatever you need to do, man. So we got another drain clean for a shower. Yes, sir. I am in the season of shower drains. 2 today, 1 yesterday. We're doing a lot of those. So I guess that's the season, which I'm cool with, man. I'm cool with it. It's easy money, man, to me. So I'm proud to do it. So I'll see you at the job, bro. All right, we are wrapped up, and my action camera battery is dead, so you're not gonna be able to see my view at all. You're just gonna have to see my ugly mug, bro. But yeah, shower drain, it's hair, man. 9 times out of 10 it's hair. So ran the cable, pulled out the clog, you saw it drop. Easy peasy, bro. Sometimes it's worse. Sometimes it's a foreign object from a kid. You know, sometimes, again, it's scale buildup and it'll cast iron. But for the most part, bro, it's going to be hair, dude. So, I'm not sure if this is going to be the last video or the last job for today. We'll probably take another call when it comes in, but right now I have availability, so I got some stuff to do for the business and for my house, and we'll see, man. This might be the end, it might not be. So whether it is, I'll see you around, man.